Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 8 CBSE Maths Rational Number Exercise 1.2 question number 5. Let's see the question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So let me take the first subdivision. It is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now for 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, the denominator is not same. To write the rational number in between them, if the denominator is same, it is quite easy for us to write it. Now for that, take LCM. LCM, I'll teach you one easy method. For numerator, cross multiply with the denominator, and for the denominator, multiply the both. If I multiply here, it becomes 5 2s are 10 by 5 3s are 15. The same way here cross multiply, so 4 3s are 12 divided by 15. If I write the rational number between these two, we need to take the numerator. Here we know that it is 10 and 12. In between we have only 11. So 11 by 15 is the only number in between these two. But we want 5 rational number, so we can't take these two numbers. For that reason, just I'll teach you one easy method. Just multiply 10 with both the numerator as well as on the denominator. If I multiply here, it becomes 100 by 150. Same way 120 by 150. In between numbers we can write now. The denominator is same, the condition, the denominator should be same. Here the denominator is same. So we can write the numbers in between them, which is 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, 104 by 150 and 105 by 150. Don't take these two numbers, it is just between these two numbers, so we should not write these two numbers. We'll move on to the second subdivision. In the second subdivision we have minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Here the same way I am going to take the LCM. For LCM, just cross multiply. Here it becomes minus 9 by 6, and if I multiply this to 10 by, here if I multiply it becomes 6. Now we know that minus 9 and 10, the denominator has become same, minus 9 and 10, so we can write the numbers in between. If it is 9 and 10, we need to multiply it with 10, the numerator and denominator, but here we have minus 9 and 10. In minus 9 and 10 we have many rational numbers, so we can directly say it is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 by 6 by 6 by 6 by 6 and by 6. I have written 5 rational numbers. It's not necessary for you to write only this. You can go with 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. Like that you can also write the positive numbers. Now we'll move on to the third subdivision. In the third subdivision we have 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Take LCM, 2 by 8. Here 5 multiplied becomes 4 by 8. In between there is only 3, so multiply it with 10. Now we have 20 by 80 and 40 by 80. In between there are many rational numbers, so we can take whatever number you want other than this two. So 21 by 80, 22 by 80, 23 by 80, 24 by 80 and 25 by 80. So we have written 5 rational number. That's all with the sum. Thank you.